to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got from Temu. If you guys haven't checked it out already, you definitely want to check out my other videos. Thank you, Temu, for sponsoring this video. I am super excited to share with you guys what I got. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know I'm trying to get my life on track, trying to get my life to be simpler at cooking meals, getting things organized, putting things away, and all that jazz. And I'm pretty excited to share with you guys what I got at Temu. So if you guys are interested in Temu, I will have a link where you guys can get 30% off your purchase. You just use the code SUN, S-U-N 7735, and you can get 30% off your purchase. They have a ton of new spring items, so you definitely want to go ahead and check that out. A lot of their stuff could be up to 90% off, which is an awesome deal. They do allow free shipping, so if you guys see a lot of stuff that you saw last week, but then you see something that I got this week, you can always make another order and have free shipping, no problems. If you decide you don't want it, you get 90 days to return it, but they are having a spring sale, so you definitely want to check those items. So let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got from Temu. So let's just dig in. So the first item that I am extremely excited about is this big cart. I had no idea what size it was. I mean, it does say the size. I do have to put this together, but this is like a little cart. It's about that wide, but if you guys see on the picture, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little compartments, and what they do is they tip out. And then I have a little open compartment on the top. I thought this would be super cute. It is on wheels, and I thought this would be cute for my Etsy business. So basically what I do is I can put like my stuff inside it, and then, you know, wheel it for like all my mailing things. So I'm pretty excited to try this out, and you guys will definitely have to watch another video when I share with you guys what I got. So basically this is the size that it has. I got little it's got little compartments that I do have to put together, but it looks like I can put like some tissues or something on here. I think this goes right there actually. So yeah, I have like a little tissue holder, and then these are the little compartments at the size that they're at. I got a couple of them, and then there's more parts that I got to put together, but these just tip out. It just tips out, and they're super, like, this is a perfect size, something you don't need. If you guys have like a small bathroom, that actually would fit like right between like maybe possibly the toilet and the shower, or the toilet and the cabinet, so you guys can keep some of your personal care items in there. But I'm pretty excited for this. This was actually, somebody's at my door. This was actually $31.98. $31.98, but I am pretty excited for that. So you'll definitely want to check out my video with my organization decluttering video, and you'll see how that looks when I build that. So I'm pretty excited for that. Another super excited item that I have is a little mini blender. It is a mini blender, you guys. So it is adjustable. You can take this on the go if you guys like are on a boat and you need to make some drinks or something like that. My kids love slushies, so it looks like it does charge with a USB cord. Ooh, I got purple. I absolutely love this color. I don't know if it's gonna work. No. It says double click to... Oh, that blade is nice. So look at that. Look at that right there. I don't know if it works. So that is a nice little blade. That's actually really nice. And then there is a silicone seal on the bottom of here, so you just put your drink in here. That's how you wash it. And then you make sure you squeeze it real tight. But it is a portable electric juice cup, so if you guys need to make other things. And then the top spins open just like that. And then they also have this part pop up too, so if you want it to be infused with something like that, like if you have chunks of, you know, your fruit that you're mixing, you don't have to have all this stuff in here. So that was super cute. This was $12.48. $12.48, and I absolutely love this color. I really like this, and I like how it's got a little holder, so you can make your smoothies to go. Smoothies to go. Pretty cute. That is awesome. And then the USB cord plugs in right by the button. So $12.48 for that. I love that color. Another thing I'm super excited for is we always have butter. We have butter in the fridge, and then we have a butter that we keep out, but we go through it super fast because I like to spread the butter. But one thing I absolutely love is I got a butter spreader or butter cutter, and this does different things with this. So it looks like, it says it's a butter spreader knife. This was $1.18. But you can like spread it where you can get like big chunks of butter, or you can like, you know, cut it, or they can get a big chunk of butter. But I thought that was super cute. Super cute. It's like got some good weight to it, but I thought my husband would love this because he's really into this one kind of butter. I think it's called Kerrygold, and like he needs like the chunks of butter, but can't go wrong with that. Cannot go wrong with that. I ended up getting a 30 count, I think this was. These are cord organizers. It was a 20 pack. It was a 20 pack, and they come with the 3M adhesive with it. But these are something that I definitely plan on doing with my cords that I have all around my desk area. So I think these were the large ones that I chose because they have them in different sizes, but I wanted one that fits electrical, or not electrical cords, I can't think of the big power cords, but basically they just kind of just click right in. You put your adhesive on there, and then you can just click it right to the bottom. So these would be perfect for my extension cords. So 20 pack. These were where did I see that? 78 cents for these. I think it was 78 cents for like a couple, but super cheap. Super cheap, and these will work perfectly for what I need to use them for. Now, another thing I've noticed is they do send you some freebies. So I did not request these, but I ended up getting a very large pair of some, like, they look like they're like Croc slippers or something like that. These are for somebody who has some big feet from the looks of it. Actually, no. But these look actually pretty cool. I'm going to try one on real quick and see. I just have my black slippers on. I'm a size 8.5. These say that they are size 40-41, and I'm not sure. Actually, wait, they fit me. They fit me. So I'm at 8.5, and these say 40-41, and they fit me. Like, if you guys can see my feet, they fit my feet perfectly. So look at that. And they're actually pretty comfortable. Those would be like a good going to the mail and getting my stuff, or going to the pool. Actually, these are perfect for these. So this was a freebie that I did not pick out. So yes, excited for that. This was another item that I did not pick out. It is an egg and hamburger frying pan. So I'm pretty excited to try this, especially if you guys like, you know, you break your eggs open and you got something like that. But here is, oh, it's got a nice wooden handle that comes, it feels like it's wood. I don't know if it's wood. It's got like a wood on it, but I like how it detaches. But here you can have, it has individual, oh, you screw it right in. So I gotta take the screw out and then put the handle on. But look at that. Look at that. You can make 4 individual like little egg things if you need to fry an egg. But that is super cool. And this kind of feels like it's a cast iron. Not as heavy as cast iron, but I really like it. And I've never made a burger like stuff like that. So that might be kind of cool. It does show in the picture, it shows it's half and half. And then the other one, it shows 50-50, but this one, these do not come out. So this is all in one. So we got something like that I am pretty excited to try out. Another thing I really absolutely love is pineapple. And I always sometimes choose the one that's already cut out, and you pay more for it because I don't like cutting out a pineapple. But this is actually a pineapple cutter. I can't remember how much this cost, but I am pretty excited for it. So basically, if you guys can see, it's got some little teeth on there. So you cut your pineapple top off, and then you're gonna just push it down, and then I think you twist it and you pull it up, and it'll take your whole pineapple with you. But I got like a little pineapple cutter. Pretty excited, or you guys can make some donuts. So pretty good with something like that. But again, I didn't get the price for that. This is another item that I'm super excited for. I ended up getting a knife cleaner. Now my husband's really hardcore about his knives, and he doesn't like them in the dishwasher, but sometimes there's those knives on that it's got dried food on there. And I saw this and I'm like, I just had to have this. This was $2.68. So basically you just take your knife and go right through it. It doesn't open up or anything like that, but this is super good if you need to scrub something off on both sides of the item, and you don't have to worry about getting cut. Like I always get cut with the knives. So I thought that would be a great thing to have with that. Okay, so the next item we have is, now I thought I requested a retractable broom thing where it's like kind of like a long little stick, and it's perfect for like underneath your stove or your washer, dryer, all that stuff. And I thought I requested that, but somehow, and I did request the broom and I did request the refill, but I got 2 refills instead for that. So I need to still get the broom, but the broom was $5.98 and the refills are $1.28, but it's basically about this long, and you kind of just like bend it under there, and it goes like a couple inches like underneath the thing so you can sweep it. And this is kind of like that microfiber product, so I was pretty excited to try that out, especially like underneath my stove and underneath my washer and dryer. But things happen, and that is okay. I got a couple different items to share with you guys on that. So if you guys know me, I love sending out little stickers to people. This is something that I want to use for my business, but they are little holographic stickers that say thank you for supporting my small business. Now I know they're hard to see, but they are holographic. These are 1-inch ones, if you guys can kind of see it, but I thought these are super cute. These were 500 of them. Let's focus, Jennifer. There's 500 of them for $1.68. So I thought that was super cute. So I will definitely be putting them in my little drawer that I have right here, so I can stick them on my products, because I like to wrap things up and then stick them on here. Now this is something I also got. This is a double pen holder that I got for myself. I have a bunch of pens and stuff behind me that are markers that I want to put in my thing. Like, no, I thought it was broken, but it's not. It's just a little scratch on the plastic. But this was a double holder. So this was $4.78. So again, you can just put your little markers, crayons in there. I do have a single one somewhere around here, but for a double one, I thought this was super cute. I probably might get more of them here. And then I have a little holder that I can put like little stuff right here too, but I'm probably gonna get a couple of these, and I think I might be able to stack them on top of each other. We will see how that goes, but I'm pretty excited for something like that. And then I got 2 more items to share with you guys, and I'm pretty excited. So I ended up getting a small personal chop trimmer. I have like a big one, but my blade is not like the sharpest that I have, and I wanted something that is small and I can use this for my Etsy business. So this is what it is. I am pretty excited to show with you guys what it is. So it has like a little protective thing on here. I don't know if that comes off, but ooh, look at that. Oh, so I could possibly put my thing underneath here so it doesn't move, or I think I can take that off. I'd have to look into that. But basically, it's a little personal chopper, and I do like it how it clicks right on. It's got some weight to it, which is nice, and it's got some grippies on the bottom of it, but this is perfect for what I need to use it for. So this was $19.98. $19.98 for this, so pretty good thing if you guys need a little cutter. But this is something that fits perfectly in a drawer, and I'm pretty excited. I know they came in 2 different colors. It was green or orange, but I really wanted the green one. But super cute and super easy to use this, so I'm pretty excited for that. And then the last item I got is another acrylic display holder. I mentioned this in my last video that I do collect little Funko Pops, and I ran out of space to put them on, but I like to stagger them on these little shelves, and I use spice dividers, but I feel like I can't see them all because the dividers are not that tall, and I thought these would be a little bit better. And I'm definitely going to make another order with Temu after I get these built, and probably get more. So I had a 4 one that I showed you guys. Now this one is a 5 one. Five levels. They do come in different widths. I ended up getting the longer width because I thought I would probably need 3 of the smaller ones, or I could get away with 2 of the long ones. But basically it is just an acrylic holder, and I'm super excited to put these together and see how my stuff works on it. But It's just like on a little acrylic stand. So the 5-shelf one was $20.98 for five of them. And again, they give you like little clear dividers. So I'm pretty excited to put this together and see how well it does. So that was everything that I got from Temu. Thank you so much, Temu, for sponsoring this video. I am super excited. I'm excited to get my life organized, everything back together. And if I do make a video, if I do get another haul, which I definitely will because I'm going to be getting more of those acrylic holders, I'm going to be definitely getting a couple other things that I showed you guys with my previous video. But I am super excited to share with you guys what I got and how I organize. I might even just make a special video of how I use my Temu products so you guys can see it. Definitely you want to check that out. But I am super excited with everything that I got. Most everything I got has a home, and I can put things away right away after I wash some of the stuff that I do need to wash, and then the kids can start playing right away. But please remember, if you guys click the link, I do have a link of everything that I got individually in this video, so you guys can go straight to that product. Make sure you're using the code SUN7735 so you guys can get an additional 30% off your order, which is awesome. Again, free delivery, so if you guys make one order, you can always go back and make another one, and then if you decide you need to return something, you do have 90 days to return it. But they have that spring sale that you definitely want to check out, and I am super excited to get more stuff from Temu. So again, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys give this video a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel already so you can see more product unboxings, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks again for watching, and see you later.